Hey, what's up guys? I'm the kalam again here. Then in this video, I'm going to show you how to write a product description using AI. It's absolutely free for join. So this link I will let in description below. Then click here. Then you are redirected to this website. So if you are new viewers, please subscribe my channel and don't skip any second because every second are very important. So I'm going to this here. This is Ashrep your research tool. Then this is at their AI description generator tool. So I want to click here or add my specific photo. So I want to add a simple photo. Then I want to test this tool. That's right or wrong. So I want to create two paragraph, then details. Then if you are, I want to write here about this photo. This is optional, but I don't like to write here. So I want to create a professional product description. So just click generate description. Then wait a few seconds and wow, this is successful human verification. If you don't have a computer, laptop, or PC, don't worry, you are able to create this product description using your mobile phone. So, wow, introducing our cartoon potato plush. Wow, this AI tool right for me a emerging product description. So I want to write a different model here. So I want to change this one and two paragraph. This is right. So professional to and formal. So I again click generate description. Then I want to create a different product description. This here. If you don't like this, so then wait a few seconds. Wow, this is really amazing. So wow, I'm shocked about this website. So I want to change this photo. Then I again want to add others photo. Then I am again click here. Then wow, this is a hair treatment egg. This is a cream actually for men. So I want to write a description for this product. So I want to format, then friendly, then choose one paragraph and details. Then I again click generate a description. Then click here, then wait a few seconds. Wow, this AI tool right for me emerging product description. Then I use this product description for social media post and any others purpose is absolutely free for you. So this link I will add in description below. Click here and you are redirected to this website. If you want to make money online, how to use chat GPT, how to use AI, just comment below. I will try to create an amazing video exclusively for you. See you next video.